Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanted Apollo here. Welcome. On this channel, we're going to talk about online marketing, personal development, mindset, leadership, vision, whatever comes to the table. Watch this entire video because I know you're going to find lots of value and golden nuggets. Today, we're going to talk about what to look for when choosing a business partner. Some critical things with choosing a business partner or a company so you can avoid misery, frustration, heartache, wasted time, and a lot of money. Align yourself with products, services, organizations, charities that align with your values and your vision. That's when I met Paul and Mike. They had everything that I wanted in an online business, and none of the things I didn't want. As of this video, Mike and Paul have been in business 6 years, and they've done over $200,000 per month in revenue. Pretty cool, right? It even gets better than that. We give back to feed my starving children. At our last event, our last Freedom Fest event, we went and we put the ingredients together and made the packages. There was also little children there, and they also made the packages. And at the end, we prayed over the packages for their safety to get there and the protection of the food. And it was really, really powerful and exciting. As a company and a community, we have a lot of fun. We grow together and we help a lot of people, and that's what we're about. So let's get back to about aligning yourselves with products, services, and visions that align with you, and about choosing the right business partner. So choose someone that brings value to the table. Do they have drive? Do they have skill? Do they have vision? Do they have a passion for the people? Do they have determination? Another thing to think about is, do they have character? Is character important to them? So odds are, if you are aligned with those things, you're going to have a better business relationship. Because you're going to be spending a lot of time together and you want to make it fun. So I hope that you found value. And if anything I said to you aligns with you, let's connect. And as always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. Have a blessed day and stay tuned tomorrow for more marketing tips.